Do you know you can still get infected with hepatitis B even after using Condom? Yes, you can actually contact it. For those of you who always say, I like using Condom, I don't like doing it raw, therefore I am safe, I won't contact any kind of disease or any kind of infection, my dear, you are joking. Yes, because you can actually get infected with hepatitis B. Now listen, imagine knocking with someone that has hepatitis B, and on the process, the person starts sweating. The fluid of that person's sweat will start dropping on your skin, it will start dropping on your body. Once there is contact with you and this infected person, and the fluid of that person mix up with your own, my dear, there's all possibility that you will get what? Infected. Now let me explain more deeper. Imagine as you're knocking with your partner, or maybe someone that has hepatitis B, and you're using Condom. You know, the Condom can only cover your machine gun. It doesn't cover everywhere around that region. It doesn't cover your balls, your yobo, you know. And as a woman that is actually putting on Condom, as a woman, maybe you're putting on your own Condom. The Condom is only covering your pickles. It's not covering your thigh. It's not even covering your laps, you know. So on the process of knocking, the both of you start sweating. And once the fluid from this woman's Z-port touches your laps, me that is a man, as you're knocking the woman and the woman has a hepatitis B, once the fluid from that woman's V-port touches your laps, my dear, you can get infected. And as a man that has hepatitis B, you're putting on Condom, immediately they sweat, like as you're knocking, your balls, you'll be sweating around your balls. You know, immediately the sweat around that your balls touches the woman's Z-port, madam, there is all possibility that what you will get infected. So that's just it. At this point, I believe that you can see it clearly that Condom cannot save you completely from getting infected. So the truth about this Condom is that what the Condom has its own limit protection towards infection, which means that there are some certain infections that the Condom cannot save you from. So now listen to another thing. Do you know that you can still contact hepatitis B through what? Kissing. You that like kissing, no, you want to kiss everywhere, you want to put your mouth. Once you're in love, you want to bring your mouth, you want to kiss anyhow, my dear, you can contact hepatitis B through what? Kissing. Now imagine like you're knocking with someone that has hepatitis B, you know, and you know you're putting on Condom. You're putting on Condom to protect yourself, you know, and as you're knocking the person and the person is already infected with hepatitis B, you're putting on Condom and at the same time you are kissing the person. Oga, madam, listen, your name now, sorry. That is just it. That is just it. You are not protecting anything. The truth is you're not protecting anything. In fact, the only thing you're protecting is what? Pregnancy. It's only pregnancy you're protecting because you will surely get infected. Now listen to another thing. Do you know that there is something you can actually do so that you won't get infected even after kissing that person or maybe knocking with someone that has hepatitis B? There is something you can actually do so that you will not get what? Infected. So this thing can protect you completely from contacting this infection because most of these diseases are not what? Curable. So one of these things you need to do to protect yourself from contacting this infection is what? Getting yourself vaccinated. Yes, go and take vaccine. Yes, go to the hospital and what? Get vaccinated. It is very, very simple. It is very, very affordable. It is very, very available in the hospital. So just go to the hospital and tell them that you want to get vaccinated and it will be what? Done. Remember that ignorance can cause a lot to what? Our society, even to us. Some people will be like, nothing will happen, nothing will happen. I don't believe in all those things. My dear, listen and listen good. Now like this, some people take by you. Yes. Now like this, some people take by. So please take your health serious. Anything that has to do with your health, take it very, very what? Serious. So this is all I have to share with you guys in regards to this video. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and do well as to share with a friend if you got value. For all my returning subscribers and followers, this is Prince TV Global saying thank you. See you guys in the next one. Bye.